Hey guys, so I'm sitting here between calls in beautiful Westerville, Ohio. As you can tell out my windows, it's a really beautiful day out today. And I just had a customer ask me in my last call, what does a system for every home and every budget mean? And that's a good question. That's something that we advertise a lot. And I understand there are a lot of customers that when the HVAC breaks and it's to the point where it's not worth fixing anymore, the biggest worry is, can I afford this? Especially in today's day and age when a lot of people are struggling to get by. So what that means at Logan is more than just an advertisement. It's a commitment that we are going to work with multiple banks so that we can work with people with different credit situations. We also are going to offer cash discounts for pay in full, so that we can make the system affordable to you from an overall standpoint if you're able to pay in full. But we're also going to give you a lot of options for financing depending on your credit. So we work with Wells Fargo as our main bank that offers a lot of 0% options, but not everybody qualifies for that. So we also work with other banks. We work with a bank called Aqua that has rates from 7.9 to 19.9, depending on your credit situation. And then we work with other banks as well, like Chowder, that will work with people that have a lot lower credit score, but have some higher interest rates. So that's kind of what we mean by a system for every budget and every home. We work with multiple banks. We offer cash discounts. We work with multiple brands as well to really provide a system for any family and any type of budget situation. Thanks.